Hello again. A fine spring day for many of us. It's not going to be entirely sunny, but there will be some glimmers of brightness at times, especially towards the south of the UK. As temperatures rise, always the chance of a shower or two affecting, say, parts of the Midlands into East Anglia and the south of England, but these will be fairly isolated. Otherwise, for much of England, Wales, southern and eastern Scotland, it's a fine afternoon. The thicker cloud will be to the north, especially for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and in the west of Scotland and Northern Ireland, outbreaks of largely light rain will move through. That will keep temperatures limited in the far northwest, but further south, where we've got those brighter spells, it's going to be a warm afternoon. High teens, 20, perhaps 21 Celsius, and certainly a warmer afternoon for the North Sea coast because we'll have lost that North Sea breeze that we had on Wednesday. The wind's now coming in from the west or southwest, although they'll be fairly light. Then into the evening, the light outbreaks of rain that we see across western Scotland and Northern Ireland drift into the rest of Scotland for a time before eventually ending up after midnight into northern England and North Wales. This is a weak weather front. It's moving into high pressure, so it does tend to fragment. Not much rain on it at all, but it does clear the skies for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and a colder night expected here, with temperatures in some places dipping enough to give a grass frost. Further south as well, there'll be temperatures in the single figures with some clear spells in the south of England and parts of Wales, but where we've got the thick cloud, double figures as we start off Friday. And certainly a cloudy start to the day for much of England and Wales. And we've got those dribs and drabs of rain reaching northern England, the Midlands into East Anglia during the morning. Now, the weather front stalls across central and southern parts of the UK, but it turns more showery, and some of these showers could be lively by the afternoon as temperatures rise through the Midlands into central southern England as well as parts of Wales. The chance of a thunderstorm or two could cause some very localised impacts, but away from any showers, actually many places will stay drier and brighter, and certainly a brighter day for Scotland and Northern Ireland, although the cloud will tend to bubble up and fill in here. Feeling warmer as well, 19 there for northern Scotland, and where we get some brightness further south, 19 or 20 Celsius still possible. Now, those showers across central and southern parts of the UK continue for a time into the evening. Eventually they fade away, and then the next weather system moves into the northwest of Scotland. Really, it's a repeating pattern during the next few days into the weekend. We've got high pressure firmly in place across central and southern parts of the UK, but these weather systems tending to topple into the northwest as fairly weak features, but enough to bring some cloud and outbreaks of rain. And Scotland, Northern Ireland will be prone to those clouds and outbreaks of rain at times this weekend, whilst sunny spells will become prevalent across England and Wales.